Hi guys, I'm Rebecca from Louisville Honda World, and today I'm going to show you how to update your navigation system in your 2018 Honda. The first thing you're going to do is get your thumb drive and you're going to put it into the USB with the phone icon. And then you're going to turn your car on. The next step is you're going to go to Navigation, then your Settings. You'll go down to Device, press Update Map, and then OK. This will format your thumb drive.
Select your vehicle year and model. Click Download Instructions. You can read through this, which will explain and walk you through the downloading process.
Next, you're going to plug in your thumb drive into your USB port.
Download Garmin Express and select Add Device. Select Garmin Navigator, select Add Device again.
Next, you're going to take your thumb drive and place it in the correct USB. Then you're going to go to Navigation, Settings, you're going to go down to Device and Update Map. This may take up to an hour with your car running. And that's how you update your 2018 Honda navigation.